Hello everyone, my name is Tasya Meylarisman and welcome to meeting 1 of this course. In this meeting, we will focus on how English is used in real IT workplace situation, especially when talking about daily routines and job responsibility. As IT professional, you often need to explain what you do every day, describe your role, and communicate clearly with colleagues or users. In this session, you will watch short video, read authentic workplace examples, and practice using English that is commonly used in professional environments. We will not focus on grammar formula. Instead, we will look at how English is actually used in context and understand grammar behind it. Please watch the video carefully, take notes when needed, and try to connect the language to your own work experience or future career in IT. Let's get started. Why this matters at work? In professional IT environments, employees often need to explain what they usually do during a normal workday. They also need to describe their responsibilities and how their tasks support the team or the organization. Using clear and accurate language helps avoid misunderstanding and show professionalism. Now we move to the example. For daily work routine, let's look at the example of a daily work routine. Let's look at this example of daily work routine. First, I start work at 9 a.m. every day. I check email and system logs in the morning. I handle user requests before attending meetings. The sentences describe activities that happen regularly, not just one time. For job responsibility, we have another example. First, I work as an IT support staff in a software company. I install software, troubleshoot technical problems, and assist users. I communicate with different departments on a daily basis. The sentences describe activities that happen regularly, not just once. Now, let's focus on the verbs used in these examples. Words like start, check, handle, install, troubleshoot, and communicate describe action that part of someone's job. These are routine actions that happen again and again. So, what are the sentences doing? So, the sentence actually doing is they describe daily routines, explain job responsibilities, and talk about repeated work activities. In English, situation like this is usually used one main verb tense. Now we move to the grammar focus. That tense is called the simple present tense. We use it to talk about things we do regularly, to describe responsibilities at work, and to explain facts about our job roles. This makes it very important for workplace communication. When using the simple present, the form is quite simple. With I, you, we, and they, we use the base form of the verb. With he or she, we usually add as to the verb. For example, I check emails every morning. She checks system logs before meetings. Now, let's watch the short video provided. In this video, the speaker explains their daily work in IT-related role. While watching, pay attention to the activities they mention, such as handling tasks, communicating with others, or managing their work environment. Also notice the verb they use to describe what they do as part of their routine. You do not need to think about grammar rules yet, just focus on understanding the meaning and how the speaker explained the job.
Include updating my code if somebody requested a change that I make. Sometimes I spend a lot of time replying to emails if that's necessary. I check in on my interns to see if they need any help with anything. My desk setup consists of 2 external monitors, and one's for code, one is for seeing my changes, and then my computer for emails and different terminal things.
Okay, so based on the video, the speaker talks about several daily work activities. For example, they mention updating code when changes are requested, replying to emails, and checking on interns to see if they need help. They also describe their work setup and routine in a clear and natural way. This is very similar to how professionals talk about their jobs in real workplace. Now, let's take a closer look at how English is used to describe these routines and responsibilities. Now, it's your turn. Try completing the sentences using your own word context. You can describe your real job or future career role. So, Here, I will give you the explanation about common mistake to avoid. Be careful with this common mistake. Check emails every day is not correct. The correct sentences is I check email every day. For daily routines and responsibilities, we use the simple present, not the continuous tense. Why this is important for professionals? Using the simple present correctly helps you explain your role clearly in meetings. It also helps you introduce yourself professionally and communicate your responsibilities with confidence. This is this is an essential skill for adult learners in the workplace. To summarize, use real workplace example to explain your job. Use clear action verbs and use the simple present tense to talk about routines and responsibilities. I think that's all for me. Thank you very much for watching this video and goodbye.